Wherever
You go, I go.
We are
YGIG!
1 to 6, always one. Hello, we are Sixens.
Ready, aim, shoot. Hey fam, we are G22.
and you're tuned into
Easy.
And that's on Chika Chika.
Yes.
ngayon. Diba? Nag-release kami ng bagos. Baka naman patok na siya sa taste mo.
Yeah, and at saka
Yeah.
people have different tastes, you
Oo.
know?
Yes, yes.
Our old songs are also good.
Yes.
Kasi yung mga past releases natin, actually produced talaga siya ng mga Korean producers. And syempre, dahil doon, may inspiration ng K-pop talaga. And dahil dyan, ngayon na nag-release na kami, of course, mas mas tunog Pinoy na, sa taste mo sana matanggap mo na siya. Pero produce na siya ng mga Pinoy talaga. And kami,
Yes.
diba? So,
Yes.
totoo. Bakit?
Hindi, andito kami sa harap nyo ngayon, and you know, we're still here, although we're gonna keep going on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Things happen for a reason, but we're always going to be strong.
Yes.
Uy,
Yes!
sana contact nyo na lang kami.
Yes. Our DMs are open.
Come on, guys.
And kung hindi nyo pa napapanood po yung mga TikTok collaboration namin, nandun lahat.
Yes.
And there's still more.
Yes.
Yes. And not just TikTok collabs.
Uy, ano yan? Of course,
Actually,
we
wrong.
were-
Wrong agad. Kasi, may humiwalay na actually sila sa company namin. And, ayun, meron na silang, Onesie Entertainment.
Yes.
Of course. At saka sobrang honored naman kami na, you know, yung kung sino rin nag-train sa SB19, yun din po yung nag-train sa amin. So,
Yes.
it's actually an honor
Oo.
na, you know,
Na-comment mo yan.
yes.
I don't care.
I'll be like, sup, man?
Right. So hot.
So cute. Sup? Ganon.
Yun lang.
Wait, may pakina ako.
Dapat nonchalant.
Hey, you want water?
You would never do that.
Honestly, magpapapicture ako.
I think I would not do anything. Just be like, cool, and then I'll tell my friends, like, hey, oh my gosh, Angeline Jolie or whatever, what's that?
Ako mag-chat na. Guys, andito yung...
That's fine. Oh,
Okay lang,
Idols
oo.
are gorgeous.
Fine. Magahaya ko. Yeah, that's me!
It
happens.
It
It happens.
Even us, get a six pack.
Sa amin, iba-iba.
Jazz! Hi! Oh.
Hey, sound check here. I get up and then
Based from experience.
panic while, if I'm running late, my go-to is sweat set. So I would grab the nearest sweat set, at least matching them up, put together pa rin, and then go out the door. Maybe take like a motorbike.
I would also take a motorbike.
Yeah, diba?
If nagmamadali.
Mag-chat muna ako. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. And then,
I would say sorry on the way.
Tapos, magsasorry na ako pag nakita ko na.
Yes,
In
good
person.
din. All the time. Hanggang after the show, sorry po ulit. Depending on how late. Ako na naman.
ako, pag minalike ka, tanggal agad yung heart.
I'm always guilty of liking things by accident.
Well, true.
Okay, yeah.
So, I would... That's the time I'm not nonchalant. I'm like,
Panic mode.
unlike, syempre.
Yeah, unlike agad.
I have a hack though. For me, if it's like, I'm really like, stalking someone and then I accidentally like, but it's not like, it's just a photo or something. I'm gonna go and like their other photos so it looks like sinadya ko. Oh!
My
Ganon. Confidence is key, ganon.
Pinanindigan niya na.
Ganon. Confidence is
Panindigan
key,
mo
ganon.
nang nilike mo lahat.
Panindigan mo na
It's
nagsustok
like
ka.
not hiding it. Ganon. Yes, I'm watching you. Ganon.
Sabay! Joke lang. Joke lang ba talaga?
Yeah. Mag-a-active ka na lang.
Ako, may time na nalimutan ko yung lyrics. Ano yun eh? Recently lang, palaban. Yung rap. Kunyari nawala yung mic.
Okay. Podcast.
kunyari nawala yung mic.
It happened?
Yeah, recently lang. Sa isang
Yung sa
festival.
Sorry ka.
Sabi ko, walang kasarit.
Hoy!
Guys, ganyan siya.
Hoy, siya lang yun ah.
Siya lang yun.
Sorry.
Hindi kami.
Edi awkward.
Well, it's very awkward.
Ano? Oh, it's so funny wala kang sabat.
It would be awkward.
Yeah.
Awkward.
I would just keep it simple. I keep stopping you.
Alam mo yung pag ginagawa.
As a anak. Like that. Smile.
Normal. Just keep on, performing.
Huwag kang magpapaano.
Padala. Mas
Yeah.
gagalingan mo daw.
Yeah.
Kung madidistract ka, mas galingan mo
Simple day.
lang.
It's a normal day.
Because you're there for your listeners. Pero siya lang yung nakatingin. Charot.
Charot.
Why can I laugh like that?
Ay, talagang
I hit on you. Ano?
Provoke.
Ano?
Wala na.
Ano? Oh, my girlfriend. I've actually done that before. I don't know if it was Alfie or AJ. I said one of you my girlfriend.
Pwede na ba?
So yun.
Medyo dahan-dahan.
Unless it's like this, be better marriage. Cancel. Remove that. Cut that out.
Ay!
Wala. Diyan talaga ako
Objectifying women or
Sorry, pero minsan napapamura ako.
Oo.
I just give it a little cheeky finger.
Or kaya titingnan ko sila ng masama, like,
Oh,
Dapat.
like you can even compliment a lady or
yeah.
a guy like very respectfully. Like you're very beautiful.
You don't need to catcall or what.
That's so objectifying.
Yeah.
Like we are not animals.
May favorite ako sabihin pag may nanggaganyan. Problema mo? Ganyan.
There's a special place for you, my dear.
Yes.
Sometimes,
Down
ano?
there.
Huwag kayo maganyan. Okay? Everybody okay.
Everybody good.
One, two, three, go. Kaya! Kaya is here. Hindi, mali. Kaya is there. Wala sila dito. Oh! No! Sorry! 1, 2, 3, go. Kaya!
Ano na? Kasi maraming magsasave sa Cat's Eye.
Hindi, guys, may Pilipino doon. Uy, Philippines.
Sorry, napili na namin kayo kaya, Cat's Eye.
Cat's Eye!
Sige, Blackpink na nga lang para kay...
Uy, Philippines! 1, 2, 3, go! Sex bomb!
Pinalaki na sex bomb.
Sample! Sex bomb! Ay!
8-8 yun eh!
Sex bomb! Pageting pababa, pababa ng pababa, ng pababa. Sex bomb!
Wala, paano to? Pag-usapan natin to.
Sex bomb YO?
Ano? Wala, hindi ko mapapantayan ng pagmamahal ko sa sex bomb.
Ayan, talaga.
1, 2, 3,
Hindi ko na naabutan yung isa.
21! 21! 21! SB19! 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 Ulo! I'm addicted to the mopsy. SB19! Whoa!
1, 2, 3, go.
SB19!
S-Vision.
SB Nation! Oh!
1, 2, 3, SB19.
SB19.
P-pop Rise.
Biggest inspiration talaga yung SB19 sa buong P-pop community. Kita naman kung paano nila na-revolutionize yung pop scene dito sa Pilipinas. Lalo na grabe sila i-bully noon, grabe silang i-judge ng mga tao.
Come on, get it. Feeling like I'm spicy. Yeah. Sumabay ka sa beat now. Yeah. What you feeling now? Yeah. That's right. Get it. Feeling like I'm spicy. Yeah. Sumabay ka sa beat now. Yeah. What you feeling now? Yeah. That's right.
Look at me, DC. Gulat ka sa galak kong malupit.
Malupit.
Look at me, wild and free. Halika't sumabay and moving low-key.
Just relax and put your phone aside tonight. Out inside and focus on your peace of mind. There ain't a problem when we lose control. Living like there's no tomorrow. Yeah, come on, let's go.
Up the hype, tonight we gon' bust a move. We get going, keep it flowing, make a scene. Up the hype, tonight we gon' raise the roof. Yeah, all eyes are on me.
Get this party started. Put your hands up to the right and move your hips to the left. We'll step and slide. Come on. Put your hands up to the right. DJ chika chick sika sig
Put your hands up to the right and move your hips to the left while you step and slide. Come on. Put your hands up to the right. DJ chika chick zika zig
Ang aking pangarap ay maabot ang alapap. Sabay nating abutin ang ating pangarap. Kasabay ng agos, kahit malakas ang buhos ng ulan, di ka bibitawan. Hanggang marating natin ang buwan. Ang buwan ng buwan. Buwan ng buwan. Buwan ng buwan. Hanggang marating natin ang buwan.
Papapalaban, papapapapapapadaan. Nagbago na ang panahon, ibang-iba mula noon. Mula noon. Hindi na uso ang papayag lang, mananahimik lang ganon. Di na ganon. Natuto nang lumaban, di na nagpapaiwan. Marunong ng mga tuwiran, di maiisahan. Oh no, di matatapakan at hindi basta masasaktan. Kami ang tipo na hindi na uupo at maghihintay lang. Kami ang tipo na hindi mahina, kaya kayo'y maghanda. Heto na ang mga palaban. Hey, 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 hey. Di basta mapapaandaran. Yeah. Woo! Marunong tumayo sa sariling paa. May talino at galing na hindi mo kaya. Papapalaban, papapapadaan. Inyong tatatandaan, kami yung tipo na hindi basta mapapapaandaran. Papapalaban, papapapadaan. Inyong tatatandaan, kami yung tipo na hindi basta mapapapaandaran.
Remember someone today with
G22.
Six Sense.
YGIG. Bye, fam.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.